Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $50 fast in PayPal Cash. And you can do this making PayPal Cash online with your phone, and it's going to be fast, so let's get started. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you two different apps, but before I get started to show you those apps, remember you're on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully if you like this video, you'll give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, okay? And if these apps don't work out for you, please make sure you check out the second link in my video description, because that's going to be a method that's going to earn way more than these two apps that you can do on your phone, because you really got to build an online business if you want to make a lot more money than today's method. But a lot of people out there like to make a little bit of money and with apps on their phone. So there's going to be two very good paying apps and very highly rated apps. And this is going to be good for some of your teens as well, and worldwide on one of them at least, okay? So let me show you the first app. So the first one is at American Consumer Opinion, and it's found at acop.com is how you get to this site. And here, this is a survey site that you can get paid to share your opinions and answering online surveys. So you're going to get your voice heard here. They already have over 6 million members worldwide. So this is the one that is worldwide. Anybody can join. And you're going to make, of course, this is free to join. And you're going to make money taking surveys. You're going to earn points for this website. You're going to earn 100 to 5,000 points per survey. They are worth 1 point per penny. So 100 points would be $1. Okay, so 5,000 is $50. So if they actually paid you 5,000 points for one survey, that is actually really good. $50 for one survey is huge. So this is a very good paying site. So this helps, brands and companies improve their products if you are going to be using the surveys and helping them learn more about what you think and what you want to improve in their products and services. Okay, so for right here, there are FAQs. So what are your payout options? I didn't talk about that in the beginning. So do I get paid for taking surveys? So there's going to be screener surveys as well that are very short, and these are the ones that have the lower points because it's just kind of like filling out profiles and stuff like that. So they're not very long at all, and that's why these are going to be worth very little. Or you get an entry in the monthly prize draw. Sometimes you will receive points for screeners, but you will always receive points for the surveys. So you always get points for surveys no matter what kind of surveys they are. Okay, so US and Canada can actually get cash. It must mean like a direct deposit. And then there's also PayPal option and Hyper Wallet option. So most countries and many countries. So there are, available for a lot of you on this site. To redeem points, log in to my account page and choose cash out option. This site, you have to be 14 years of age and older, okay? So it's 14 and up for this particular one. The next one I want to show you is here at Surveys on the Go. This one is a very, very highly rated app. Sorry, this last one, I just want to go back to this last one for a second. So here, this is not an app actually. This is a website. So there is no app to sign up for, because you have to sign up with logins here, and there's no links to any apps. But Survey on the Go, this one you could do on the phone, okay? And this one is really highly rated, and it pays really well. And this one will have also really short surveys. Now this one, I am not certain which countries are allowed for this one. I researched for a long time to look for what countries this is for, and I cannot find it. I'd say if you can find this in your app store, because it is listed in Google and the Apple App Store in the US. So I know it sure works in the US, but I don't know where else it works. Okay, I just could not find the information. So surveys on the go. Yeah, you're just answering very simple questions about products and shopping, entertainment, you know, very easy stuff. Taking surveys is fun, informative, and it pays. So these guys are going to pay cash out with PayPal or by applying to a virtual Visa account or Amazon gift card or Starbucks gift card. So there are many, there's two types of gift cards and a Visa account you can use or PayPal, okay? Well, actually, this one is for people 16 and up. So if I go to their FAQ, how it works page here, we're going to take a look at how do I download the app. It's just going to be in the Apple Store. And they have a great payout, which is very low at $10. And these guys have surveys that pay you $1 to even $10 or even more per surveys, and you really have to keep your location enabled 24/7 while your app is on your phone, because that is how you will get the biggest paying surveys to you. Okay, so you want to make sure you have your location enabled at all times. So if I take a look at the App Store, look at this rating. It's crazy. 4.7 for a survey app. This is insane, okay? With that many people rating as well. So there's plenty of people using this app. There's even somebody, this lady said, I got paid $30 to eat a salad and take a survey. But then you have like, I earned 40 bucks in about 2 months. So you are just earning extra cash in this survey app, okay? So it's good for anybody who wants to earn some extra money on the side, and it's just fun, something to do when you're not doing anything or in line, you know, waiting for something. You can just turn this on, open this, and see if there's any surveys for you to do. But you could earn a lot more if you check out the second link in the video description, because it's going to teach you some online skills that it's going to be needed to earn you a lot more money. If you want to earn a consistent stream of online income passively, it is very critical that you use a business model that allows you to do that. And how that works is that you need to build an online business using this business model, and you're going to learn about the business model in the second link in the video description. It's a business model that I've been using since 2016, okay? So it's been almost 4 years. In September, it'll be 4 years, and I love my business, and I've been building it since, and I don't need to use anything else. I don't use these apps. I don't use a lot of the methods I show on my YouTube channel, because I have this one business model, and that's all I need. So you can check out that second link. It has all the information in there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. My video comes out every single week, but I have no idea when they come out. So get notified, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.